Borgo Panigale is no longer just visiting the dirt. It is looking to conquer it. Exactly 1 year after shaking up the off-road landscape with the Desmo250 MX, Ducati has completed its quarter-liter assault weapon, the new Desmo250 MX. For a brand defined by tarmac dominance in MotoGP and World Superbike, crashing the gates of the fiercely competitive 250cc motocross segment is a daring gambit. By throwing a high-strung, premium machine into a sandbox traditionally ruled by bulletproof Japanese engineering and deeply entrenched Austrian machinery, Ducati isn't just entering a new market, it is attempting to rewrite the rulebook of off-road racing. At the absolute epicenter of this disruption is a piece of engineering wizardry that could only come from Italy. A 249cc single-cylinder engine, packing Ducati's legendary desmodromic timing system. Screaming all the way up to a staggering 15,000 RPM, this motor flirts with thresholds rarely seen in the quarter-liter dirt category. Yet, a critical eye must ask, can a mechanical architecture famous for high-speed track acoustics translate into the gritty reality of a motocross track? While Ducati promises a benchmark torque curve engineered for immediate responsiveness out of corners and relentless top-end pull on the straights, the real challenge will be whether everyday riders can manage such a high-revving power delivery when bogged down in deep, heavy ruts. Ducati's second line of attack is an unprecedented technological invasion, bringing tarmac-honed electronics to a world that usually relies on pure mechanical intuition. The Desmo250 MX arrives armed with Ducati traction control and a highly sophisticated predictive maintenance system. While purists might argue that traction control dilutes the raw, throttle-feathering essence of motocross riding, there is no denying its potential advantage on low-grip, hard-packed slick surfaces where corner exit speed is everything. More compellingly, the predictive maintenance software moves beyond simple hour meters, actively tracking critical engine stresses, a vital reassurance for privateer teams terrified of the maintenance bills that usually accompany a 15,000 RPM Italian exotic. To ensure this digital and mechanical firepower actually translates to the ground, Ducati has wrapped the package in a razor-sharp, track-ready chassis. A lightweight perimeter frame is paired with an aluminum swing arm designed to ruthlessly cut down unsprung weight, providing the kind of instantaneous direction changes needed to slice through tight berms. The suspension duties are handled by premium Showa units boasting Kashima coating, a high-end treatment designed to minimize internal stiction and keep dampening consistent over punishing, long-distance motos. It is a premium hardware list that promises precise front-end feedback, though the true test of this rigid perimeter layout will be how forgiving it remains when the track inevitably deteriorates into a chaotic field of braking bumps. The Ducati Desmo250 MX represents a fascinating, high-stakes gamble for the Emilian brand. It is a premium, uncompromising statement piece designed for elite racers and well-heeled enthusiasts who demand cutting-edge technology over utilitarian simplicity. By blending an exotic desmodromic heart with unparalleled electronic sophistication, Ducati has undeniably raised the bar for what a quarter-liter motocross bike can be. Whether the motocross community fully embraces this complex Italian machinery over cheaper, time-tested rivals remains to be seen. But Borgo Panigale has officially made one thing clear. They didn't come to the dirt just to play, they came to take over.